clarifies me. Along the way, many thoughts came to me.
Yeah, excellent.
Yeah, one more thing that I want to say, that what I take from this workshop again is, it made me realize what my motivation around my goals is not from myself. It's from families and such, and it's very like clarifying to me, like, oh, who am I doing this for, and why am I trying so hard to get it? Like, it's not even my one thing, you know.
The rented thing, right? Or the borrowed concept.
Yeah, it's mind opening for me.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.